this is Ieasha of Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back. Y'all, I know it's been a while, but I am here today because I want to show you how you can decorate very inexpensively for a girls' day in. So today, me and some friends are going to be having a girls' day in. So I wanted to show you what I made. The other ladies are making something different, and I'm making what I'm going to be making here. But I'm going to show you how to arrange it, how to set it up. I'm going to be making the salad, the wings, and I got the dessert. Okay, so I wanted to show you how to set this up because y'all know we are event decorators, party planners. Even if you just want to do this just for your home, you know, if you're not an event decorator or a party planner, you just want to do something at the house, then this is for you. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so what you go ahead and do now, I'm going to be making the salad, but go ahead and make sure that you wash your vegetables very well, as you see I'm doing right here. And all I did was added some baking soda in, and I'm going to be putting my salad in this cute little bowl right here. All right, and I also bought this. I made a cake last night, but I also bought this right here. These little cute little cheesecake cups or cheesecake bites with the fruit on top. And you see how cute they are? So I'm going to show you how everything is set up once I get everything done, okay? All right, another thing I want to show you is that I'm going to be using this little cute little thing here with the little handles on the side. So you all know I do luxury picnics also. So this is what I had for my picnics, and this is what I use when I do picnics. So these are some little containers that you can put like maybe like pickles, jalapenos, whatever you want to put in these little cute little bowls. So what I'm going to be doing like onions and different things in the bowls, tomatoes and something else that I'm going to be putting here. And also I have this cute tray, okay? And I'm going to be putting the chicken wings in this tray. I'm going to be lining it with some parchment paper, and I'm just going to put the chicken wings in this tray. Alright, so I just wanted to show you how I was talking about setting this little thing up here. As you see, I did tomatoes, cucumber, I did some more tomatoes, and I did, I call them purple onions. Some people call them red onions. I got that. My mom used to call them purple onions or red onions, so either one. But I did that here. And as you see, it is cute right there. Now let me show you what I did also. I took the salad. Well, I just took the lettuce and I put it in this bowl here. It's just a clear bowl that I showed you before. And I just covered everything up with aluminum foil because, you know, I want to keep it covered until we get started. So I'm going to cover this up also. Alright everyone, so now I want to show you the cake that I made. Now this is the pound cake I made, y'all. And I put it in this cute little dish that I have. Now, I'm going to be linking some videos that I had before when I used these here. And here is the cute little cheesecake cups that I showed you. They are absolutely gorgeous here on this plate. You see that? And I went and bought some of this cream cheese frosting. Now, this is for the cake, in case anyone wants it on their cake. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take some aluminum foil and cover this up. I have my eggs boiling, which I'm going to have for the salad if anyone wants it. And my husband is doing the chicken wings. So I'm going to show you all that once I get that started. Alright everyone, so as you see, I have went ahead and put on me a cute little outfit. So y'all, I know how to dress up, alright? Even though this is a girl's day, we're doing it here in my home outside. I still want to dress up because I like dressing up sometimes. All right, so I have everything already prepared. Now I have the chicken wings out on the grill, so I'm going to show you that. And then once everyone get here, we put everything out on the table. I'm going to show you how it's going to be set up. Now I do have my wine glasses. Yes, I do. So yeah. So let's go outside and let me show you the chicken wings. Alright y'all, so here is the chicken wings. They look really, really good. My husband had did his thing. So you see how good they look. So this is a good way that you can have a girls' day in. It does not have to be expensive, of course. Alright, so let me just show you the setup I did. Just a simple setup here. And all I did was add these cute little flowers I had right here in the middle of the table. Now I'm going to put some plates around the table. But yeah, it's just set up for 4.